All right, so first thing you got to do is get over to your Wi-Fi settings. And again, always make sure that your drone is never on auto join. Your phone is never on auto join. If you auto join somewhere, it's going to create a problem for you. So you need to find the Wi-Fi. Now the drone is on and the controller's on. It's fixing to get loud. Here comes the truck. You're going to want to get your drone on, open it up, make sure you get to the network. Some of them have been renamed. So example, this one is number 2. And because there's a 2 on the controller or whatever, you'll have to find the one that's that drone. Click connect to the network. You're going to wait to get connected. Once you get connected to the network, you're actually going to use DJI Go. DJI Go is the one that if you're going to fly, you can actually fly with the DJI Go. But we don't want to use DJI Go. We want to go into our flight or what is drone base. And once we go into drone base, now we've had those things done. We've connected to the Wi-Fi. Everything's now connected. Now we're actually able, you see down at the bottom, it said drone connected. We're actually able to go into a program. And this one's not, let me get to a different project because this one, they're not going to like it. Let's just go and do projects and do new projects. I'm going to create one here. Standard, boom, I'm done. Now I've got one already made, just taking whatever's there. You see down at the bottom where it says start pre-flight. I'm all the way into pre-flight. It's got a GPS problem, so we need to make sure that we let the drone sit a bit longer. Can't talk. Got to sit a little bit longer to get those satellites. You can come back over here to this one and watch. It looks like it's got 7 satellites. You may have to turn it off and turn it back on. You may have to move it. Let's see if we can't. Look, it went up to 8. It takes some time. Let's move this out here to the street. Get a clear shot of the sky. These are older drones. Let's see if we can't get it to acquire a few more satellites. Well, that's nice. Dropping satellites. If we can get a couple more, it should be enough to get a lock. Sometimes what you have to do, so let's go back over. I'll show you a little trick. Let's go back over to flight, and we're going to look at flight. The drone's connected. We'll give it a couple seconds to acquire. Let's go through pre-flight. Looks like it's going to have that problem again with the satellite, so I'll show you a trick here. And that may be just this drone. Your drone may be perfectly good with satellites. All right, so let's get connected. Let's look at our satellites. Our satellites are 8. That's in the upper section next to GPS. It's 8. Let's launch this aircraft. The home point has been updated. Take off. And I do bear responsibility. And I'm going to fly up. I don't have much battery, so I got to do this quick. I'm going to fly up above the tree line. I'm going to hold. And I'm going to see if I can acquire more than 8 satellites. You can start a drone mission from the sky. So there we go. See how we hit 9? I'm going to go up a little bit higher. We'll go up a little bit higher. All right, so I'm going to hold there. I got 9. It may want 10 to 12. Let's give it a second. All right, that's pretty steady. Let's pop over now that we're in the air. You can actually start a mission in the sky. So let's go. See, we got drone connected. That's good. Let's start our pre-flight check. See, we just got through drone. So it has, it's going to probably say no SD card, but it's got, it has a GPS lock. All right, the remote controller hardware is not responding. Please unplug the controller from your phone or tablet, restart the drone and the controller, then reconnect the controller to your device. So this is the first time I've flown this one. We can work through that. Also, I'm only down to like 1% on the controller. So run through that and see if that helps you. Again, you may have to be in the sky. That start flight will start up, but you see now I've got 11 satellites that's showing in the middle. So if you can't get your satellites from the ground, get up in the air, and then you can hit start mission from the air. Hopefully that helps you. Call me if it doesn't.